Hi mga mommies! Today is Sunday, gala day with the kids. Our plan is to go to IKEA. Kaya lang, nagutom agad, kaya dumiretso muna kami sa MOA para mag-lunch. At dahil Sunday, expected na talagang mahabang pila sa mga restaurant. We ate our lunch at Yakiniku Like. We ordered the pork sukiyaki, the fried beef garubi, and the Thai chicken for me. We tried the set menu na may kasama ng rice, soup, kimchi, or salad. So yummy! And that's it. Lunch is done. Then we proceed to IKEA. While Kuya is busy looking for something, mag-fit check muna si Mami. My flared pants is from TikTok shop. And my top is from Zara. Nakaka-enjoy kasi talaga mag-ikot-ikot at mag-window shop dito sa IKEA. Kasi talagang may enjoy mo yung mga display nila sa kanilang mga showroom. At syempre, hindi kompleto ang laboy sa MOA kung hindi ka dadaan sa The Pop Mart. Ang daming new edition ng mga blind box nila ngayon. Grabe, ang cute talaga. So ayan, may napili na si Kuya at si Jillian. It's matcha break. We also tried the matcha with mochi at the matcha Tokyo. Ang sarap, very authentic talaga. While waiting for the kids na nag-iikot-ikot din sa mall, the cute pop-up store of Dior catch my attention. I really like Dior DPs, especially their Raj collections. Super nice kasi ng mga DP nila. Long-lasting, very pigmented, and so classy. Kaya ang mami nyo nagpabudol na naman. Well, worth it naman kasi it's so cute and it's personalized pa. It's Raj limited edition with free engraving. That's it mga mami. Happy Sunday!